Yeah, definitely. You can only learn so much, and you can learn quite a bit because even I'm guilty of it myself. I watched a lot of videos and a lot of podcasts and a lot of studying. And like, how you know all this stuff? Because I studied. I became a professional student. That separates one person from another. You have to take that step that most won't do. While we all trying to do the TikTok dance, we better be learning this real estate and learn something.
TikTok is real estate life. And here's another thing. It's great to study, but don't be stagnant and don't stay in analysis paralysis. Don't get it twisted. I'm always in analysis paralysis on certain things, but I have to push myself. And when you push yourself, it's making yourself uncomfortably great. How can I make myself do something that I'm not comfortable? The uncertainty equals opportunity. So why not go ahead and challenge myself? So if you study something, test it out. It's like when you're in the 5th grade and in a science class, and they give you a hypothesis or theory, and you come with the conclusion. So the question is, what is wholesaling? Can I do it myself? The answer is yes, but you have to do the work to find out the conclusion that yes, I took the steps and I was able to get a $5,000, $10,000, even a $2,500 check that I put the work in. So whatever work you put out is the work that you're receiving.
That's right. Yeah, my first deal was only $1,800.
It's the best $1,800 that you ever received. Okay.
I know. I was like, only $1,800. People work all month to get that. I got it in one deal. So yeah, that's definitely good there.